Today we're gonna be recreating my 2016 makeup look. I posted it on shorts, like on TikTok and stuff like that, and I had a few people ask me like how I did the eyeshadow. We're going to get right into it, and I'm gonna show you guys my eyeshadow look. I already did my brows like how I normally would do my brows, and I'm not taking it off and recreating the 2016 brow because that's too much work. I'm gonna take some concealer and clean up under my brow, but I'm also gonna use that as a primer. Go ahead and take our little beauty blender. The Morphe 35O palette. This orange color first. Pack this on this little brush. And I'm going straight in my crease with that. I'm taking it into my outer corner and blending everything and bringing it in as well. A little more just to brighten that up. The orange color is starting to build. I don't know if you guys can see, I'm kind of like winging it out. Take this like itty bitty little brush, this like darker brown shade. I'm just gonna pack it into my outer corner to give it like a little bit of depth. Back in the same brush that I was using with the orange color with no added product, and I'll just go and blend this back out. Using the same brush that I carved my eyebrows with is going to be the same brush I'm going to carve my cut crease with. So what I personally like to do is find the middle of my eye, close it, make a little line, look up, and I don't know if you can see, that'll create like a little line. That's where you're going to start carving your crease at. For this part, I just like to drag outer corner just a little bit just to start blending in the crease. You can see I like followed all of my natural crease. I just dragged the sides out a little bit to blend this in with this. I'm gonna go in with this loose pigment from Wet n Wild all over. So go ahead, close your eye and just dip. With just a lighter color, just right where my eye lines up into the middle of my eye, and I just ever so slightly blended that in the middle, just so like when I'm looking forward you can see that this just like pops more. After that, we're going to go back in with just a little bit more, same small brush, and I'm just gonna ever so slightly add some back. Same blending brush as well, and blending out these edges, but also these edges. Take the like teensiest, flattest brush you can find. The black eyeshadow that I could find, made the faintest. I just flicked it ever so slightly up, like little wing. To kind of like tight line just ever so slightly. Okay guys, this is the final eye look with the lashes. If you guys want more like an actual in-depth tutorial of me like explaining every product, doing my face, doing how I would actually do my 2016 makeup, please let me know. Also, if you guys recreate this, please tag me.